In the previous videos, we've migrated content, data, and files from our Umbraco 7 project to our Umbraco 8 project. So far, so good. Next step is to update custom code and implementation. My name is Sophie, and in this video, I'll give you a few tips and pointers how to proceed with the upgrading. Let's do it. There are many differences between Umbraco 7 and Umbraco 8. Most of them have already been documented, and in the description here, you'll find a link to an article listing all these new articles about Umbraco 8. But hold on, I did promise you an example, didn't I? Alright, here we go. One of the differences between Umbraco 7 and Umbraco 8 is how published content is rendered through template files. Because of this, you will need to go through all your template files and make changes. In your Umbraco 7 project, if you have a property called bodytext, you might have used something like this: model.content.bodytext. In Umbraco 8, syntax has changed a bit. Instead, for the same bodytext property, you'll need to write model.bodytext. The same goes for umbraco.field, which is something you might have used in your Umbraco 7 projects. This now needs to be replaced by model.value. This might seem like a lot, but don't worry. We've documented a lot of this already, and as mentioned, there are links to all of it in the description of this video. And remember that it's not only template files you need to update. Have you made any custom code or custom implementation, you'll need to review it for Umbraco 8. That was all I had for this video. Time for you to start reviewing your code and get your front end up and running. Once you're done, head into the next video, where we will be deploying and testing the migration on Umbraco Cloud. Happy coding, and I'll see you on the other side.